Today, let us explore the family structure in Igbo society. Family is the basic unit of every society. It is the very fabric that holds communities together, although the sense of family varies across different cultures around the world. In Igbo culture, family begins with marriage, and through it, a man's legacy is carried on. What does family actually mean to an Igbo person? For every Igbo person, the family has a three-tiered structure. The first tier is the family into which a person is born, the paternal family. In Igbo society, people mostly identify by the paternal side, as Igbo societies are predominantly patrilineal. This paternal family includes the father, father's parents, father's siblings and their children, one siblings, and every other person within the kindred and clan with whom he or she shares blood ties. The second tier of the family structure is the family one's mother is born into, the maternal family. This includes one's mother's immediate family members, and those the mother shares close blood ties with. Both men and women visit and maintain strong ties with their mother's side, which plays a crucial role in their lives. And the third tier of the family structure is the in-laws. A man's family grows further when he marries, bringing him into the fold of his wife's family. In Igbo society, in-laws are considered an essential part of the extended family. Each tier of the family in Igbo society plays a vital role, supporting and guiding individuals through life's journey, and ensuring strength, unity, and continuity for future generations. Family is everything in Igbo society, where the bonds of tradition and marriage create a lasting legacy.